how are you? It's Chanya from ChanyaProFitness.com. I'm bringing you fitness from Art Basel. Right now, everything is going on. If you're following me on Snapchat, you can see some of the art. If you're following me on Instagram, you can also see some of the art. My name on Snapchat is Chanya Pro Fit. I left off the NESS. On Instagram, I am Chanya Pro Fitness. It's the same name with underscore. So it's Chanya underscore Pro Fitness. No, Chanya underscore Pro. Listen, Chanya Pro Fitness on IG. So you can see some of the art there. I have a funny comedy skit that I'll post after I've done this live. But it's important today that I show you how to work your body because I have some really big information to tell you after the video. So today we're gonna move our body. It's a full body workout. I'm gonna do 10. Remember, my count is 10. So you can do as many sets as you want, but your rep count is 10. So I'm gonna climb backwards on the wall. You're gonna see that. It's going to work my arms, my core, because I have to keep it tight, and my legs, right? So when I come off of the wall, right, working my arms, climbing down off the wall, I'm gonna go into a squat. That is going to work my quads and my glutes, okay? The second workout is pretty simple. We're just pushing up with our arms and our knees. Full body workout, getting that heart pumping, making sure that we're staying healthy, right? Because I wanted to talk to you guys about something before I get sweaty. This morning I said a prayer with my children about how, if you follow my other handles, you know that my children and I went with their choir to the nursing home. And in the nursing home, the people were not mobile. Some people weren't even able to speak. And as we were there, all I can think about is my friends. Like, I need someone to grow old with. We have to take care of the people around us. We must share how important fitness is, how important it is to move our bodies, how important it is for us to detox our bodies, what's the easiest way to detox? The easiest way to detox is through sweat, right? You don't have to go and buy pills to detox. Sweat. Sweat it out. Sweat out that anger, sweat out that stress, sweat out that 9 to 5, sweat out that boyfriend, sweat out that girlfriend, sweat out that animal that's driving you crazy, sweat out them bills, sweat it out. So these videos that I'm showing you, this is a way for you to detox so that you're here with your friends, right? So I'm gonna always say to my friends, hey guys, you wanna work out? Hey guys, you wanna do this? I'm gonna ask them 100 times. Because what happens is, even when I'm not with them, lo and behold, they working out when they have time. So just remember that. You want to be around, you want to have friends around. We all gonna get old. If you're blessed, you're going to get old. And you want to be here by yourself? No, right? You want to be here with somebody. You want some friends. You want your man, your husband, your wife. You want someone here. Make sure you're talking to them about moving their bodies and exercising, even if you hate it. You got to do it for your heart. It needs something to keep going. It needs to work. It's a muscle. It wants action, okay? So that's what I thought of this morning. That's what I prayed for. So I'm gonna continually pray for everyone that is watching my videos. You're appreciated. I love you. Thank you for watching my lives. You're appreciated. After this video, I'm gonna go into depth about something else that's really important. So thank you for watching until the end. Let's get started. So, easier said than done, right? This is a full arm workout. Let me get my hairbrush. Hold on. Hold on. You can look around. Let me get my hairbrush.
All the way down to your left. Take a meter with your car. Take a meter. I don't know. I think it's like 5 hours.
Uh-oh. You went in a circle. You went in a circle. You went in a circle on you. Hi, sir. Skip the Camry, okay? Please.
Where's the Camry? There are a lot of cameras down there.
Okay, it's black. Please.
You sure there are not more than one black camera down there?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Please.
Well, let's see what happens.
Okay. All right. God bless you.
Don't video. What's going on?
All right, guys. Because if you guys follow me on Snap, I just post how much it is to park down here. It's inflation, all right? So let's get into this movement, working our arms. You're gonna see how serious this workout is.
Walk all the way down.
All right.
I hope so.
squat, okay? Let's do that 9 more times. Full body work. Leg is up. Walk it up, jump it up, squat it down. 8 more.
All the way down to your left.
Woo!
Pay by the meter.
Woohoo! Clap me up, guys.
All the way down.
Walk it up.
Pay by the meter.
Woo! Hallelujah. How many I got left? How many I got left? 7, huh? Or 6? How many I got left, y'all?
All the way down to
7?
your left. Pay by the card. Okay.
Ah!
That's like $5 an hour. All the way down to your left.
Oh, God. For kids, this is going to be a lot of fun, right? Let me take a breath. I have 6 left. Now I see why you're oh my God! Woo! Let me tell you. What made me choose this? Woo! How many I got left?
Looking for you.
5. Lord have mercy. Come on, y'all. Scooby-Doo. This is how you Scooby-Doo? That's not how you Scooby-Doo.
Hey. Oh, what?
Oh, Jesus. Four more, I'm so excited. Okay, guys. Come on. 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 4 more. Oh, he's shaking his head. Oh my God. Woo! 3 more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Who clapping me up? 3 more. Messing up my hand all that. Okay, 3 more, right? 3 more. I don't want to start sweating bullets. Okay, y'all. Okay, 2 more, right? 2. All right. Let me come on the photo shoot. Okay, I'm ready. 2 more. Okay. Arms working. Oh my God. Okay, 1 more. 1 blood clot more. Okay, y'all. Who didn't think I was gonna do it? Look at my sweat. Watch me, watch me, watch me. Oh. One more. Lord have mercy. Big up to you. All right, guys. Next exercise. We got 3. Simple. 10 times. 3 sets for you. So, listen. Let me share something with you. Follow me. Follow me. All right, bitches. Follow me. Let's go. 1. Come on. 2. Come on, y'all. 3. Come on, y'all. 4. Come on, y'all. 5. Come on, y'all. 6. Come on, y'all. We in the band. 7. 8. 9. 10. What's the agenda on that one? Arms up. Extend. Elbows straight. Lock those arms. Lock those arms. Knees up to your chest. Boom. Boom. They connect. All right? Get that height. Get that heart rate going. You may say this is nothing, but until you do it, give me something around with that. Until you do it, I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Last workout. I know y'all ready. Y'all ready for it to end. Let's go. I got shit to talk about. Leg extensions. Arms out. Arms are here. Connect that energy. Get these fingers to connect. Connect that energy, right? It's kinetic energy. Extend your legs as high as you can go. Remember, it's all about energy. So we're going to 10. Do not exhaust yourself on 1. When you hit 10, I want to see that height. Lift your ass off the floor. Let's go. Connect that energy into your center. Extend. 1, 2, 3. Fall out. 4. Come on. 5. Bring it up. 6. Bring it up. 7. Come on. 8. Come on. 9. What I said about 10. 10. That's right. Let's move on to the other side. Woo! Lord of mercy. Connect that energy. Connect it. I'm gonna give y'all some art. Let me stand here. Let me stand here. Let me stand here. Let me stand here. Connect that energy. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Arms up. Elbows up. 6. Come on. 7. Bring it up. 8. Holla at me. 9. What I told you about 10. 10. Bring it off the floor. All right, guys. Now let me talk about you. Let me talk to you about what's popping. So, I don't do anything in vain. Let's talk. I told you that I treat my supporters like my boyfriends, but I got something even better. I'm gonna treat the people that support and subscribe to my new website. I'm gonna treat them. I'm gonna treat them. What's the person you cheat with? What do they call? What is the person you cheat with? What do you call them? What do you call the people that you cheat with?
Side piece?
Not a side piece. That's not a good enough title. When you're cheating, what do you call them? I don't even know, right? What do you call the person you cheat with?
I don't cheat. I don't know.
call the person you cheat with? What do you call the person you cheat with? You're cheating. What do you call it? No. It's a name. It's like, it's called something, y'all. He said sliders. You said side piece, he said sliders. I never even heard of these things. I heard of side piece. It's a word, it's a nice word. It's a nice word. Nobody saying it? Nobody has the name of it? Okay. Well, guys, I guess it's not good enough. I'm gonna treat the people on my website that subscribe and support, I'm gonna treat them as I would treat myself. And I guess that's the best, because let me tell you, I go so hard for everything that I'm doing. That's why this website is going to blow. Everything has been in the works for this day. So now I need you guys, when I tell you tomorrow, I plan to tell you around 10 a.m. what the link is. It's ChanyaTheTrainer.com. You all know about Chanya the Trainer. So now we got a website. ChanyaTheTrainer.com is up and it's ready. You guys have been waiting. All I get is comments. Wait, can you do this? Can you do that? Can you twerk? Can you show me this? Can you open this? You guys are something else. Of course I can't do all of that on here. So thank you for subscribing and supporting on the website so that I can give you better content, so that I can afford better production, so that I can do all the things that you're requesting, right? You guys have outfits you're requesting, all of that. That's how you'll help me, by subscribing and supporting on ChanyaTheTrainer.com. So tomorrow I'm gonna go live at 10 a.m. I just need for you to be ready to click that link. It starts at $10. That's it. So everybody got paid today. Everybody who didn't get paid today, it's in your account. It's been waiting. You've been waiting. Everyone's sending me messages. When is it gonna be up? It's up now. Go spend your $10. There's more. You could pay for more. There's more. But I'm gonna tell you what it starts at. Go spend your $10. Food costs more than that. Go support. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sharing this video. Try the workout, it works. You thought I was gonna play, huh? No, I didn't come out here to play. I came out here to show you some real fitness. I love you, see you on the next video. 10 a.m., it's gonna drop. It's already up for those who are ready, who already got their cards in their hand, like, grab and wait for this. It's up, you go. But tomorrow morning, I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why it's so important. So go subscribe now. Guess what? It may be cheaper for you tonight. All right? I love you guys. See you on the next video.